Maybe you want to duplicate a file that has been printed, but the photocopy shop is very far from where you are. Well, instead of going to the photocopy shop, it's better to print it in multiple copies. If you want to print multiple copies but don't know how, read this tutorial until the end. First, go to the Print menu, by going to the File menu and then selecting Print. You can also do it on the keyboard by pressing the Ctrl and P keys simultaneously. After that, in the Copies section, you can immediately determine how many copies will be printed, for example 2 or 5 copies. After determining how many copies will be printed, you can immediately click Print to continue the printing process and see the results. How are you? Is it easy? That's how to print multiple copies in one print. Hopefully this tutorial can be useful for all of you. See you in the next video.